Nobody likes
Hello and welcome, love of food. So here we are at Yacht Club Beverage. Say hi to the guys from Yacht Club.
Hey.
Hey, so you want to introduce yourselves? Go ahead.
I'm Blake.
Sean. And Dave.
All right, so what are we doing here today? Well, I made a whole bunch of different types of focaccia bread, and I used different yeasts, and these guys are going to be our taste testers, and since they're beer guys, they're going to try and figure out which breads were made with the beer yeast. All right, so we're going to go down the line. We're going to call this 1, 2, 3, and 4, and only I know which is which. All right, so go ahead, guys.
Let's try one first. Let's all try one. Let's do it. Corner piece here.
Obviously, it'd be better with a little olive oil, but you know, hey.
It's got a nice golden crust on the bottom. Beautiful.
Get it, Dave.
How are you?
Living the dream.
Are we guessing afterwards?
Yep, we're gonna rank them.
Okay.
Yeah, you're going to rank them and then tell me which ones were made with the beer yeast. Okay?
Keep in mind, because we're going to pick a favorite.
Ready for 2?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ooh, that looks good.
Take a little middle piece here.
Vegetable on it.
Ooh. There we go.
Nice and moist.
Mm-hmm. Definitely doughier. Well, 3.
We'll go for 3.
Ready for 3?
So you need one
That's veggie on that one.
too. Oh, it's a corner piece. Awesome.
It's definitely got some fluff to it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That one's really good. Yeah. Not gonna spoil it, but I think that's my favorite so far. Let's do 4. Is that cucumber on that?
Zucchini.
Zucchini. Good.
Yep. 4's my favorite.
That's all. 4.
Yep.
Topping it out.
4.
All right, so we have 1 vote for 4.
And a 4, 3, 1.
Okay.
I'm gonna go 3, 4, 2, 1.
I think I would do 3, 4. 2.
All right. So now that you guys know, which are your favorites? Tell me which ones are made with the beer yeast.
I think 1 and 3.
I'd say 3 and 4.
I think I don't know exactly which yet, but I think these 2 were one type and those 2 were one type.
Good
And I
palate.
would say, huh?
Good palate.
Yeah. Okay. Just a question of, does bread yeast dry out more than beer yeast? I'm gonna say beer yeast is the drier, 1 and 4.
Nope.
No?
2 and 3 were the beer. So this is the
Oh, wow,
Saison.
okay.
This is the Saison, right?
Okay.
And this was the Belgian Abbey Ale, which is why you all liked that one. It was fluffier. It was big. It was,
Oh, yeah.
and so one was made with. I had a expired yeast that I doubled up on. They say you can do that if it's past its date. You can just put 2 packets in. So that was made with a regular bread yeast that was expired, and I just doubled up. And that was made with the instant yeast that you don't even bloom, and you just throw it right in the flour. And you guys liked that one too. And funny enough, Rob liked that one too.
That one last.
Yeah,
Number 1 was last. So
which
I
is
guess
the
we
regular
know-
bread.
I guess we know what not to do. But that
And now we
beer
know that
yeast,
beer
I
yeast
was
is
very
really
surprised how
fluffy.
well that worked. Yeah,
Really
that's
Yeah.
awesome. That was awesome.
Well, guys, thank you so much. That was fun, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, eat up. Eat the ones you like.